Is Molly smiling?
Smile, Molly.
Oh, okay. I'm like, okay, you said familiar. Okay. Duh. Well, they just left Innsbruck. And it was interesting. You know,
You want to walk her around?
you know, how they were doing things now, so I just stopped by and, you know, first I thought, well, are these mostly older folks here? They all look a little younger. But I didn't say anything. I just said to Carla, I said, so, you know, what's your impression? She said, well, we just left. Amy is just finishing up her
Walk her in a bigger circle.
dating. I know. Carrie's 19. Like, holy smokes. Amy's dating a boy from
She
Ellis,
trot
so
for
she's
you?
camped down to
Huh?
the farm.
Does she trot for you?
Carrie stays home to go to school at Lindenwood so she could stick around with the horses. And he's at a private farm where she's helping to exercise.
Alright, you can walk her.
So she jumps Petey, who's almost 17.
Will she walk over those poles? There you go. You're thinking.
And then she runs barrels.
Alright, whoa her. Oh, careful. Alright, see if she'll pick up her foot for you. Will you pick up her foot and clean it? Just one? Huh? Can't do it untied. Okay, that's good. I just needed to get some pictures of her. Easy with her.
Is she just old?
Alright, whoa her.